Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing a new Disney pins package I just got in the mail, and I'm also going to be showing you guys my Disney pins collection. So yeah, let's get started. So here are the pins. All I did was open it, haven't unboxed it yet, but I got these from eBay. I've ordered from this seller before and I really liked it last time, so I'll put the link in the description. But I got 25 licensed Disney pins for $17. Also, my dogs are wrestling in the background, so if you hear a weird noise, that's them. Anyway, yeah, so let's take them out of the bag. They just come in a bunch of plastic Ziploc bags, so I'm really excited. Okay, so I don't really care what kind of pins I get because I only buy these so that I can trade them at Disneyland, and I'm going this summer again, so I wanted to buy them so that I could be ready. Cool, let's see what we got. The first one I see, Max, leave it. The very first one I see is this one. I'm definitely gonna keep this one. I really like it. Okay, off to a great start. Next one, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a little Mulan pin. I think that's like, I don't think it's the chibi style, but it's definitely very cute. Also, please ignore my nails. I know they look janky. It's okay. Okay, next up, this I'll Be Your Mickey pin. And I'm definitely gonna trade this because I'm not anyone's Mickey. All right, next. Oh, this is actually so cool. It is this little Mowgli pin. I think that is really cute. I actually really like that. I don't know if I'm gonna trade it or not. Wait. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I actually have the Minnie Mouse version of this pin, so that's adorable. I'm definitely gonna keep this one. We have this Mickey cupcake. It's cute, but I don't love the colors, so I'm gonna trade this one. We have, it looks like, oh, I don't really know. Well, I know it's Dale with like a bug cap. I don't really know what this is supposed to be though. So if anyone knows, please comment below and tell me what it is. Next, this, I have absolutely no idea what this is. I have not a single clue. It's definitely from Star Wars, so it's probably a Star Wars Tsum Tsum, but okay, this one's really cute. It is the Cheshire Cat. I love that. Okay, this is a very common pin, and I'm pretty sure I actually already have this one because I already have. Oh, the reason I keep looking over here is because my pins are on my wall, but I already have a few of the ones in this collection. But yeah, this collection is huge. It has like a bird, a dog, a cat, the mom, the dad, the sister, the brother, like, so yeah, we're gonna trade it. Oh my gosh. So it's this Alice in Wonderland pin. It's definitely seen better days. It's a little bit faded, but I think it's really cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm obsessed with Minnie and Mickey, and this is a little Minnie Mouse pin. Her eyes are like gone, but honestly I might keep it. Okay, this one's pretty cool. Freshman me would be like dying right now, but this is a little Stitch pin, and I actually, freshman year, I went through that phase of like being obsessed with Stitch. I have a whole collection. Let me show you guys. So this is my Lilo and Stitch collection. Well, it's actually just Stitch and like one Scrump and then two angels, but yeah, so there it is. Anyway, I have no clue what this is. I have absolutely no idea. Well, let me know if you know. He's cute. I just don't know what he is. Oh my gosh, guys. It is Mickey Mouse, but in the Runaway Railway style. And if you guys have seen my shorts, you know that Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway is like my favorite. Toontown is my favorite land ever, so keeping it. This is adorable. Definitely 100% keeping it. I literally, oh my gosh. It is Figaro. He's so cute. Oops. I broke the bag. It's a little Eeyore. Definitely faked because he just doesn't look right, but this one is really cute. So it looks like this is from that little emojis series. So it's definitely a Stitch emoji. It's got like the little teardrop. It's like scared or sad or something. Okay. Oh my gosh, I actually don't have a pin of this. It's Orange Bird. He's so cute. I literally cannot. He is so adorable. Keeping, 100% keeping. Okay, this one's pretty cool. This is actually a collection I haven't seen like in person, but it is the little t-shirts collection. This little Pinocchio. Trade in that one. This one is a very basic, just like woody tile square. This is another really basic one. It's just a Mickey head. It's pretty cool though. It's a little Olaf Tsum Tsum. Definitely looks faked though. That's okay. That is all the pins. So really quickly, I'm gonna show you guys how I take my trading pins to Disneyland with me. Okay, so I actually made this, but it's this little VHS case. It has Stitch the movie on it because it's the only Disney VHS like paper I could find. But when you open it, it just has some cork boards, and this is how I store my pins when I'm trading them in the parks. So yeah, I'm gonna put these trading pins in the book and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I usually try to fit all the ones that I'm gonna be trading on one side and then the ones I traded for on the other side. But we have one lone one over here. Sorry, dude. But yeah, this is how it looks. I love it. I always get a ton of compliments on it when I go to Disneyland. So yeah, if you guys want a tutorial on this, let me know. I'll give you guys one. So now I'm gonna put all the ones that I'm keeping onto my pin boards. Okay, it definitely doesn't look the best, but I just kind of tried to put them where they fit. I'm gonna have to reorganize everything, but here's a quick like close-up and I'll kind of explain to you guys. So these are my Ariel pins, and then like Belle, princess pins, like girls in general, I guess. And then we have my Minnie Mouse pins and Mickey right there just chilling, period. This is Sleeping Beauty, one of my favorites. Marie, Elsa, another princess. I like to think that this is me because I have no idea who it is. And then we've got a couple of like side characters right here. This one's pretty cool because it's from Splash Mountain. This wants to focus. Yes, okay. My little Stitch pin, my little Yeti guy from Matterhorn. His name is Harold. These are my two vintage pins, Rabbit, and then these ones on the bottom are actually my dad's, but yeah. So I'm probably gonna put all the Winnie the Pooh pins together and stuff. And then we have my little Duffy collection, Duffy and Shelly May. They are like my favorite, my all-time complete 100% favorites. And then we got a couple of Disneyland icons. This is Tokyo Disney. This is Disney Cruise Line, maybe? I'm not really sure. Hollywood Tower Hotel, another Disneyland one, Disney MGM Studios 2020. Yeah, and then these are kind of my like collections. So I have my Haunted Mansion pins at the bottom. This one is like a Disney characters Christmas ornaments one. Then we have the silhouettes, the Mickey heads. These are called Oofuffies. And then we have my Mickey hands and Minnie hands. Two more princesses, and these ones come from when you book a vacation through Costco. And then my Disney Princess Castle, which I literally only need one more to finish it, and I can't find it anywhere. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Let me know if you want a more in-depth tour of my Disney pins once I get everything organized. Also, comment down below what your favorite Disney pin was. And also if you know any of those characters that I didn't know. Alright guys, that's it. Bye!